Oh my God! Look at that.
That's a
Oh,
big one.
From America.
This is a big fish, y'all.
Big one, huh? Okay, up. This one, yes, this one. Oh, full man. Okay.
3 doggies, Granny.
Okay, push. Well done. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it, huh? Push. Okay, good. Oh. No. Go down. You can win.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. Oh, man. Look at that. Oh my God, the music to fisherman here. Oh my God, so. What? No, they know the size. They know the weight because every day they carry it. Right? Oh. Hey, there now he's higher. He's serving up to the service. Yeah. Yes. Good. Continue. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I told you to see, I'm right.
Yeah.
We go he right. Okay, up, bring up. Okay, fast. Okay, he will neck the head. Up. Yes, move, up. See, that's it. See? Oh. Woo. Yeah. Look here. Yeah. Yes. Okay, look. Whoa. Look at the size. Whoa. Okay, push. Nice. Okay, good.
Oh, we got off.
Huh? More. Oh, yeah. Never mind.
What do you say, Dad? You got a big fish?
The fish are as big as her, no?
Yeah, that's all.
Đừng. Yeah, really, see, you don't know already. See? Yes, you run fast, see? See? Đây, cầm bạn nào, quay, hay nặng. Có lưu. Yeah, có lưu. Ok. Tiếng máy, xong mơ. Yes. Có. Look at that. Có luôn. Có. Kìa cái xong mơ. Đừng. Ok, chạy. Now the fish fighting. Hold on. Okay. We got. Okay, ถ่ายรูป Okay. Ok, dừng. Tăng lên. Push. Này, cho máy vào này. Ok, go watch. Bring it. Yeah, I will take video when customers are fighting. Hey, Kenny. Look at the master. Look at the chest. Oh my God, look at the dress. Look at the cloth. Jesus with you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord. Come on, baby. Man versus fish.
Yeah. He's a big boy.
Stay first, he's still strong. Fight first. Down. No, he's still strong. Hold it first. Yeah. Look. Up. Yes. Oh. Down. Just put down. You go down, you can go in.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Woo! ผมเจ้าอยู่นี่ โอเค It's a naughty fish, huh? 25 kilos.
25?
Yeah. Almost done. Come to the right. Yes. Away from there. Yes, safe. Good. Stay. Down, all the way. Go forward. Thanks. Up. Yes. Up. Okay. Oh, the big part. Okay. But it's very not easy. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you want to go back the same spot again? Bực ra. It's a cup. It's Mekong, small one. Yeah. What's the lump? Well, I thought it's a cup. Never mind. Oh. Yes. Down. Oh, this is a really big one. The biggest. Yeah, I saw. You have him. Hey, not straight to me. You have him. You see how heavy. So you know how heavy. Not straight to me. I got to one. I'm not. Okay. Oh. Wait. I got straight to. Okay. Oh. What? So you know how heavy. Oh, look at that. Oh, see. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're the biggest. Oh.
Doggies, Granny.
Okay, pull the tail. Go. Push. I thought you want to join. Okay, good. Okay, sorry. First cab, fast, Stop. Pull. Down, all the way. Up. Upward. Up. Up. Down. Yes. Cut. Grip. Again. Fast. Yes. You see it. Different, Down. Up. Down. Yeah, it's quite different. Down. Up. Again. Oh, big one. Go ho. Goที่อยู่ที่งูเลยกันเร็วthe one on the photograph. He said, look at the sight. Look at that. Come, very good inside. Come. Up. hold it. Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay, down. Oh, yes. Oh, look here. Hey, high five. Yeah. Okay. Oh, look at that. Near that. Oh. Up. Yes. Down. Up. Again. Okay. Now move on through. What is that? Pump. ใช่แล้วโกโก้แล้ว big one Come on, pump, don't let go under. Yes, down. Yes, short one. Up. Oh, come on. Oh, this is big. Size. Come on. Come on. Oh, yourself. Look at this wave. Pumping, huh? Come on, almost. Ooh, look at that. Big one. Oh, yes, pump. Ooh, pump the iron. Oh, look at the wave. Oh, never mind. Pump. You bet, man. Yo. Wow, look at that. Hear the sound. Wow. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Stop solid. Come on. Be ready. Up. นี่แหละแบบนี้up. Hold it. Up. Oh, yes. Down. Oh. Up. Oh, look at that. Oh, big one. Oh. นี่แหละ Oh. This one big. ไหวไหมว้าอีกแป้งSkin, see the mom? Yeah. Nice one. Okay, push down. Wait. Hold it. Almost done. Okay. Good. Up.
He said no.
He said you have to do this way. Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, down. Okay, good.
Got him.
Photo no, huh?
Yeah.
You want photo? Okay, put it. Up the head. Up. Oh, yes, down. Take photo. Last week must take. Yes. Oh, the big one. Yeah. Oh. Okay, last week number 10. Okay, push. Wow. Okay. Good day.